Yes, you can do it easily on your Apple Watch. First, unlock your watch if it's locked. Then, press the digital crown to go to the home screen. Tap App View to see all the apps installed on your Apple Watch. Touch and hold an app icon, then release it to enter edit mode. The icons will start jiggling, and a delete button will appear on the apps that can be removed. If you're using List View, swipe left on an app or touch and hold it a little longer, then release to see the delete option. Tap the delete button. Confirm that you want to delete the app, and it will be completely removed from your Apple Watch. Some apps, such as Breathe, Heart Rate, Find My, Blood Oxygen, and others, can be deleted from your Apple Watch. You can always reinstall them later from the App Store on your Apple Watch. That's it. If you have any questions, leave a comment below and subscribe for more video updates.